Chapter 6 Advanced Test Multiple Representations. Complete the table, graph, and equation for the given word problem. Number 1. Word problem. Papa John's is having a sale on delivered pizzas. Every pizza is $10 and delivery is only $2. Discrete or continuous, additive or multiplicative, or both. Number 2. The table below shows the relationships between B, the number of slices of bread, and C, the total number of calories in the bread. Calories in bread, number of slices B, total calories C. Which equation represents the relationship between B and C? A, C equals 70B. B, C equals B plus 70. C equals 140B. D, C equals B plus 140. Number 3. Which graph represents the relationship between x and y in the equation y equals 3x? Number 4. If you connect points C, D, and E to make a triangle, which ordered pair would be located inside the triangle, and in which quadrant is it located? A, -2, 1, quadrant 2. B, -2, -2, quadrant 3. C, 1, -2, quadrant 3. D, 2, -2, quadrant 4. Complete the word problem, table, and equation for the given graph. 5. Word problem. Your y-axis says height of plant in inches. X says number of weeks. Discrete or continuous, additive or multiplicative, or both. Underline the independent variable and circle the dependent variable in each statement. Then label each one with an X or a Y appropriately. 6. The number of days since your last haircut and the length of your hair. 7. The grade you earned on a test and the amount of time you studied. Determine if each relationship is an additive or a multiplicative relationship. Then write an equation for each table. Number 10. Which point is located 4 units away from point B and in quadrant 2? A, point A, B, point C, C, point D, D, none of these. Number 11. Which real-world situation can be represented by the equation y equals 6x? A. Seth buys pencils that come in packs of 6. He gets Y total pencils for buying X packs. B. Grace buys trading cards that come in packs of 6. She gets X total trading cards for buying Y packs. C. Claire has 6 pens and she buys X more. She now has a total of Y pens. D. Jackson has 6 juice drinks and he buys Y more. He now has a total of X juice drinks. Number 12. The cost of downloading one song from a website is 99 cents. Which equation can be used to find T, the cost in dollars of downloading in songs? A. T equals 99 hundredths plus N. B. N equals 99 hundredths plus T. C. T equals 99 hundredths N. D. N equals 99 hundredths T. Number 13. Dawson created 4 data tables for different numbers of apples and oranges. Which table shows an additive relationship? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 1, 2, and 3 only. D. 1, 3, and 4 only. Number 14. George started a coin collection. His dad gave him 75 coins. Each month he will add 20 coins to the collection. Which equation can be used to find y, the total number of coins in George's collections after x months? A, y equals 75x plus 20. B, y equals 20x plus 75. C, y equals 75x minus 20. D, y equals 20x minus 75. Number 15. The following table shows a relationship between x and y. Which of the following equations describes the relationship between x and y? A, y plus 1 and 5/10 equals x. B, y equals x over 1 and 5/10. C, y equals 1 and 5/10 x. D, y equals 1 and 5/10 minus x. Number 16. The graph shows the number of points y a player earns in a balloon game based on the number of balloons the player pops, x. Balloon game, number of points, number of balloons popped. Which equation best represents the relationship between x and y? A, y equals x plus 25. B, x equals y plus 25. C, x equals 25y. D, y equals 25x. 17. In which quadrant is the ordered pair 2, -5 located? A1, B2, C3, D4. Number 18. Hannah was 4 years old when Cole was born. The table below shows the difference in their ages. Which of the following equation describes the relationship of Cole's age in terms of Hannah's age? A, y equals 4x. B, y equals x minus 4. C, y equals x plus 4. D, y equals x over 4. Number 19. The table below shows the cost for student admission to Times Square Theater. Student movie tickets. Number of tickets T, cost C. Which list shows the independent quantities from the table? Number 20. Ashley is going on vacation to Paris. She plans to take a taxi from a popular restaurant to the Eiffel Tower. The taxi driver charges a $4.75 initial charge plus $2.35 per mile. Which equation can be used to find y, the total cost of the trip, if x represents the number of miles of the trip? A, y equals 2.35, x minus 4.75. Y equals 2 and 35/100 x plus 4 and 75/100. C, y equals 2 and 35/100 x plus 4 and 75/100. D, y equals 4 and 75/100 x plus 2 and 35/100. 21. Which table shows an independent quantity of 3 with a corresponding dependent quantity of 6? 22. The coordinate grid shows P, Q, R, and S. All of the coordinates for these points are integers. What is the value of the x-coordinate of point P? A2, B6, C -6, D -2. 23. Which answer choice below represents the relationship between x and y? A, y equals x plus 11. B, y equals 3x. C, y equals 11x. D, y equals x minus 11. 24. A coordinate grid is shown below. Which ordered pair describes a point that is located 3 units to the right of the origin and 1 unit below the x-axis? A, 3, 1. B, -3, -1. C, 3, 1. C, -3, 1. D, 3, -1. 25. 4 points are graphed on the coordinate grid. Which ordered pair does not appear to be represented by one of these points? 5/2, -3 is A. B, -1, -1.5. C, 3/2, 2. D, -4, 1/2. Bonus, worth 2 points per answer. Square ABCD has an area of 16 square units. If point A is located at -2, -3, what are the coordinates of the other 3 points? Point B, point C, point D.